In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset the Bancorp Bank online banking password. Let's dive right in and make sure you can regain access to your account smoothly and securely. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the online banking portal for the Bancorp Bank. Simply open your web browser and head over to the Bancorp Bank online banking login page. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the link titled User ID/Password Help. You'll find it prominently on the login page. This is your gateway to initiating the reset of your online banking password. Go ahead and give it a click. Now you'll need to follow the prompts provided on the screen. This typically involves entering some key information such as your user ID and any other details requested by the system. The goal here is to initiate the password reset process. It's important to fill in this information accurately to avoid any hiccups along the way. The next stage is a critical one, completing the verification process. The Bancorp Bank needs to confirm your identity to ensure your account's security. This verification could take several forms, such as answering a set of security questions that you selected when you first registered, or receiving a verification code via email or SMS. Carefully follow each step outlined in the instructions to complete your verification. Upon successful verification of your identity, you'll be prompted to set a new password. Here's a tip: make sure your new password is strong and unique. Combine upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance your account's security. A strong password is essential to keeping your banking information safe from unauthorized access. With your new password set, you're now ready to log back into your account. Return to the initial login page, enter your user ID, and use your freshly created password to access your online banking. This process should restore your full access to your financial details, bringing you the relief of having taken a significant step in securing your finances. If at any point you run into difficulties or require further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the Bancorp Bank's Customer Care Center. They're available to help via phone at 1-800-545-0289, Monday through Friday, from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Additionally, you can contact them through email at info@thebancorp.com. For any card-related inquiries, the support team is also ready to assist you. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to resetting the Bancorp Bank online banking password. Remember, keeping your login credentials secure is fundamental to protecting your personal and financial information. Thank you for watching, and stay safe online.